It's dark, slippery, and everyone has an opinion on motor oil. Here's my Oil Change 101. Oil is the blood of your engine, and it gets dirty. That's why we change it. Now, the big question, when do we change it? The mantra for years had been every 3 months or 3,000 miles, but modern technology means oil may last longer in your car. Check your owner's manual to know for sure. Some newer vehicles even have an electronic monitor that tells you when to change your oil. Regardless of if you do your own work or use a trusted shop, regular oil changes are the single best thing you can do to extend the life of your engine. So consult with your car care professional and decide what's best for you and your vehicle.